Today, 15th August 2021, the situation in Afghanistan is clear but critical as Taliban enters Afghan presidential palace after Ghani flees. A Taliban spokesman tells those who worked with the government and military will be offered amnesty. Commenting on the situation, Malala Yousafzai has also commented. She has said that the situation is shocked, deeply worried for women as Taliban seize Kabul. The rights activist further called for urgent humanitarian aid and protection of refugees and civilians as the militant Islamist outfit entered the panic-gripped capital city of the Kabul. While talking about the former president Ashraf Ghani, President Ashraf Ghani has left Afghanistan as Taliban closes in on Kabul, according to the country's top peace negotiator Abdullah Abdullah. The former Afghan president has left the nation. Abdullah, the head of the High Council for National Reconciliation, said in a video on his Facebook page. A senior Interior Ministry official told Reuters news agency that the Ghani left for Tajikistan. Ghani's departure comes amid the negotiation for a peaceful transfer of power after the Taliban fighters encircled Kabul after capturing 26 of the country's 34 provinces capitals in the less than 2 weeks. While talking about the American side, the Pentagon authorized an additional 1,000 troops to help with the evacuation from the Kabul, a U.S. official said, on bringing the total number of troops expected in Afghanistan temporarily 6,000. To coming to the update situation, we will keep you informed. You keep in touch and stay tuned. I am Wasim Raza, TV for you, Italy.